How to fix Bluetooth not working on your Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. So first thing, just what you want to do is just come over to this start menu and just right click on it and open up your device manager. So once you open your device manager, you can see there's a Bluetooth option, and if you can't see it, you must restart your computer or PC and simply right click on this and try to click on this scan for hardware changes. So if there's any hardware issue causing this problem, so and once you do that, you can also actually enlarge this and click on a particular driver to update its driver. So based on which device you are connecting, you can try this the same for every single option over here. And once you do that, just try to reopen the Bluetooth option just like this by simply disabling it and enabling it back once again. So once you do that, your issue should be fixed just like that. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.